everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Achievers Employee Portal. So if you want to log into Achievers Employee Portal, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type community.achievers.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of login page. All you have to do is enter your email address and your password over here. First of all, enter your email address. Now enter your password. Make sure you provided correct email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password button right over here. After you enter your login credentials, all you have to do is click on this login button right over here. And then you'll be logged into the Achievers Employee Portal. So that is how you log into Achievers Employee Portal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.